Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Noila Creations. Today I am going to share delicious chicken biryani recipe. In a bowl add 1 kg chicken, 1 tablespoon of salt or as per your taste, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, juice of half lime, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of biryani masala, 4 tablespoons of curds, add a few mint leaves, a pinch of red food color, 1 tablespoon of ghee, mix well. Keep aside and marinate for 30 minutes. Cook 2.5 cups of basmati rice. Add 2 tablespoons of onions fried till golden brown and 2 tablespoons of fresh coriander leaves chopped to the marinated chicken. Mix. Add 1 green chili slit and mix. In a small bowl or cup, add 2 tablespoons of milk and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Stir and keep aside. In a small bowl or cup, add a pinch of red food color and little water. Stir and keep aside. In a vessel, add 1 tomato chopped, 1 onion sliced, 2 bay leaves, 1-inch cinnamon stick, add 6 cloves, 2 small pieces of anise seed, 2 cardamoms, 1/4 teaspoon of caraway seeds, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 green chili slit, add 1 tablespoon of ghee, add oil, stir on medium flame, add the marinated chicken. Add water as required. And mix. Add salt as per your taste. Two teaspoons of garam masala. And stir. Cover and let it cook on medium flame. Stir in between. Once ready, keep it aside. In a vessel, add 1 tablespoon of ghee and melt it. Add rice. Add little milk which was mixed with turmeric powder. Add little red food color which was mixed with water. Add coriander leaves chopped. Mint leaves. Add fried onions. I used total 7 onions for the biryani. Add fried potatoes. I used total 2 potatoes for the biryani. Add chicken, coriander leaves, mint leaves, rice, follow the same steps for the other layers. After you finish putting all the layers, keep the vessel on medium flame for a few minutes. This delicious biryani is now ready. Do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.